Jianhui Steel Bella. Why I am a workaholic is not well understood. I do feel this GL, PPGI roofing sheet, PPGL roofing sheet, Galvanized steel, GI steel. This job gave me great trust, so I have the opportunity to serve the clients. As a service provider, what I gain is a great trust from everyone. So in China have many best factories. Fortunately, many clients to come to Jianhui Steel Factory to order PPGI, GI, GL steel. So I want to cherish the opportunity to serve the clients and give our customers value. If you need a roofing sheet, GL, GI, galvanized steel, GL steel, please contact me as soon as possible. Bye. See you next time. Thank you.